Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're exploring Qwen AI, an innovative platform designed to help you work smarter and faster. In this video, I'll show you around the dashboard, explain the different models available, and give you quick examples of how to use each feature. Let's get started. When you first visit Qwen AI, you'll land on a clean and simple dashboard. Here's what you'll see in the left side panel. This is where you can create a new chat by clicking the New Chat button, search your chats if you have a large list of conversations, view all your chats, listed under headings like Today or Yesterday. Click the three dots to create a new folder, helping you organize your chats by topic or project. One of the unique features of Qwen AI is the ability to select different models based on your needs. You can choose from various models such as Qwen 2.5 Plus, best for complex tasks like coding, reasoning, or multi-step problem solving. Qwen 2.5 Max, the most powerful language model in the series, ideal for advanced text generation and understanding. Qwen 2.5-5L-72B-Instruct, a vision language model that can process both images and text, useful for tasks like image captioning or visual reasoning. Qwen 2.5-14B-Instruct 1M, a specialized model for instruction-based tasks capable of handling large-scale data. QVQ72B Preview, designed for visual reasoning tasks such as analyzing diagrams, charts, or visual patterns. WQ32B Preview, capable of thinking and reasoning. Qwen 2.5 Coder, strong at coding tasks. Qwen 2.5 Turbo, fast and long context model. Qwen 2.5-72B-Instruct, smart large language model. For example, choose Qwen 2.5-Max for advanced language tasks, or VL72B if you require both text and vision understanding. You'll see a prompt box. Below the input field, you'll find a toolbar with several options. These include Artifacts, refers to practical applications or tools that demonstrate the model's capabilities in real-world programming scenarios. Sample prompt, create a playable synth keyboard. Web Search performs a search across the web to find real-time data or information. Sample prompt, search the web for the latest AI technology in 2025. Image generation, lets you create AI-generated images based on text prompts. Example prompt, generate a futuristic skyline at sunset with neon-lit skyscrapers. Video generation, helps you produce short AI-generated videos from text descriptions. An example, prompt, a robot dancing in a virtual nightclub. You may also see options to upload documents, allows you to attach files like PDFs or Word documents to your Qwen AI workspace so the AI can reference or summarize them. And upload images. Lets you provide an image for Qwen AI to analyze, describe, or use as context if you're working with a vision-capable model. The Qwen AI dashboard merges conversational AI with multimedia and analytical tools. It's ideal for generating creative content, conducting research, or organizing tasks. That's it. You've learned the step-by-step process. This powerful tool boosts productivity and simplifies your workflow. If you have questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.